it's Teacher Paige. It's time for Oh My Stars! Let's go! Be sure to check out my next Oh My Stars video. It will be the 10th episode of Oh My Stars. And to celebrate, I'm going to be doing an awesome giveaway. One lucky commenter will receive all of my stars that are available in my Teachers Pay Teachers store. You don't want to miss it. Oftentimes, when a student is new, I will simply ask, what do you like? I have tons of stars. I usually have a star that they would enjoy. So I might say, do you like monsters or dinosaurs? Do you like princesses or Hello Kitty? Most of the time I have a star that they'll like. Be sure to click that like button and head back for my 10th episode for the opportunity for free stars. If you have any questions about how to use stars in your classroom, be sure to drop a comment below so I can help you out. Thanks for dropping in. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you know when I post new videos. Happy teaching! Thanks for watching!